Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So lately I've been seeing a ton of people talking about this match factory method that supposedly gives you unlimited coins. At first I honestly thought it was probably fake because there are so many videos online claiming stuff like this works, and most of the time it ends up being clickbait or some weird app download that does absolutely nothing. But after seeing more and more Match Factory players talking about it, I got curious enough to test it myself and see what would actually happen. And honestly, if you play Match Factory a lot, then you already know how quickly coins disappear, especially when you're using extra boosters or trying to get past those really annoying levels with barely any time left. So in this video, I'm going to go through the whole process step by step, show you exactly what I tried on my account, and then at the end we'll check together if it actually worked or if it was just another fake method online. So the first thing I needed for this was my Match Factory player ID. I opened the game, went into my settings section and found the ID there pretty quickly. After that, I copied the ID and kept it ready because I was going to need it for the next step. Honestly, so far the whole process was super simple and only took a minute or two. After that, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly I don't think it really matters which browser you use. Then I typed in the website everyone's been talking about lately. The page loaded almost instantly, and surprisingly there weren't a bunch of annoying redirects or random pop-ups everywhere. Everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. Once the website opened, I searched for Match Factory in the game list and selected it. After that, I picked my device type. I'm using Android, but I also noticed there was an option there for iPhone users too. Then I pasted my player ID into the required field, checked one more time that everything looked correct, and continued to the next step. Honestly, up to this point, the whole process was way smoother than I expected and didn't feel complicated at all. Next, I had to select how much of the resource I wanted. Since I wanted to properly test this, I went with one of the larger amounts just to see if anything would really happen. After I confirmed it, the site started showing loading bars and different progress animations. I mean, it definitely looked convincing, but visuals alone don't really prove much. Right before finishing, there was also a short verification step, which honestly wasn't anything unusual for sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now it was time to check the actual results. Alright, this was definitely the part I was the most excited to see. After everything finished, I reopened Match Factory and immediately checked my coins balance to see if anything had actually changed. And somehow, the extra coins were already there instantly. I didn't need to restart the game, reload anything, or wait around for an update. Everything showed up right away. Honestly, that part surprised me way more than I expected. I even played a couple of levels afterward and used some boosters just to make sure everything was working normally, and from what I could tell, everything seemed completely fine. So yeah, now you've seen the full test from start to finish, and you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried anything similar in Match Factory before, let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, because I'll probably be testing more Match Factory methods and other mobile game stuff very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.